I'm back! And we are doing fireworks tonight. I don't know why really, but Ashley bought fireworks and brought them. And so we're doing fireworks.
Get your eyes on it!
Are y'all excited for the fireworks?
I'm so excited. I have been begging Nanny and Daddy for fireworks for all the time. And now your wishes come true. Yeah.
Your wishes come true.
Where's Nanny and Smoke, Mama?
Huh? I'm okay.
This was my surprise.
You gonna light them all at the same time?
No. I'm just getting them ready.
Wait, she's gonna light them at once so they won't go by so fast.
We're doing them right now because Paisley has to go to bed soon. Because she goes to bed at 8:30 and it's 8:30, but it's still daylight outside.
Is it 30?
It's 8:30. But it's still daylight and I love it, don't you?
This is really exciting.
They're not gonna be that good because it's daylight.
I don't care. It's gonna be so good.
We'll get some more on the weekend when it gets dark, when you can stay up later. And we can wait till it gets dark. Does that sound good? Like 4th of July, which is a month away.
I'm gonna go get it.
They look pretty cool, huh? Oh, that one's out. We got all those left to do.
But we're still having more. Mom? Whoa.
Whoa!
That one has a little bit more because it's bigger than that one.
Are you hanging out in your lawn chair watching the fireworks show?
No nasties.
It's stinky, isn't it?
This is like how you jerk your hand away so fast.
Those three must all be the same.
Oh.
They're all little boxes.
Don't get it.
That one had much.
Uh-oh. The smoke's coming towards Paisley and Grayson. All right, let's get this show on the road.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Get down, girl. Oh, yeah.
We don't want any more piddly ones, do we?
All right.
Those little teeny tiny ones are just like sad.
This is going to be the goodest,
Sad, sad.
the best.
Shall I light them all at the same time?
No, I don't think you should. Oh, that would be a little brave. I'm scared. Should I be standing here?
Whoa. They're going everywhere. They're blasting. Okay. Go. Yeah.
What do you think about that one?
Well, that's great.
That's cool.
Wow, it's going up. Now it's
All done.
Actually, you're gonna get in the smoke. I love smoke. Whoa! I'm eating these. Whoa!
Holy moly! Those kids are like hypnotized right now. Yay! That was a good one.
I don't care. I love the smell of diesel.
It's not diesel.
I can't see you, Mother. You're in the fog.
I know. Another one lit. Uh-oh, this looks kind of dangerous. It's probably going to light another one. Somebody's going to think we're celebrating around here. It's lighting the other ones.
Do you hear me, Tiffany?
No.
I said that was the finale.
Oh yeah. Yay! Are there any more?
One more, it's the last one.
How many?
One more.
How to do it again?
This is the last one.
I lit one and it started going up. And I lit the one on the end and that one started going up. I lit the one beside that one.
I hope it pops like the other one.
What if they light it up again?
Alright, that's all of them.
That's all.
They did it again, Mommy.
like the other one.
I'm doing Snapchat.
Do it again. Do it again.
Two
Again.
devices at one time. The camera and phone.
No, don't. They're hot. No, don't. They're hot.
All right, well, I guess we're going to go get in the bed. Guess we're going to go get in the bed. Was that fun?
Mommy, can we get them again?
Yeah, we'll get them again.
So
Fireworks are fun in the summertime. Do tell Ashley thank you.
You're welcome.
All right,
smell
give Grayson
good.
hugs. We got to go night-night.
Give Paisley not Levins.
I'm not gonna give her an island.
Oh, that's not nice. Oh, that's nice. Super nice.
Ow.
All right, Paige, let's go inside. We're going to go in here and brush teeth and get ready for bed. We'll see them again. You putting your chair right there? All right. Well, I wanted to film real quick our firework adventure. So we're going to go to bed and we will film another time. See you in our next video. Bye.